Now we're into September. This is the most technical period of the training year. Hopefully you've come off a nice summer of running. July, August is when you really develop your aerobic base for cross-country racing. September is when the anaerobic workouts really ramp up and become an integral part of the training period. And you've got to be able to integrate the aerobic and anaerobic workouts together into a safe workout plan where the athletes can still race in some important invitationals, but that they're also developing for the championship meets at the end of the year. Now the 5K, or let's even say 4K cross-country race, depending upon your state, is about 90 to 91 to 92% aerobic and about 8% anaerobic. This is important to understand in setting up your workouts. Most of your mileage is going to be based on developing the aerobic system, but this time of year you've got to spend time more than mileage developing the anaerobic side so that you can deliver energy to the working muscles in a more robust manner than an untrained athlete can in racing at exhaustive peak performance. Now we'll have 3 9-day microcycles in September, and that sort of ends the general and specific preparation periods. As I said, I think on your schedule you'll find some interesting invitational meets. These are important but are not crucial. Some may be more important than others, and you may want to set up some sort of different rest pattern than I've suggested here, but that'll be up to you. The idea behind these workouts is to kind of follow the principle and include the workouts models, at least that I present for each of the training microcycles, but if you need to make some adjustments, then feel free to do so. Volume is high as intensity increases, and that's a problem. Any physiologist will tell you that when volume is high and intensity is climbing, that is a recipe for fatigue, chronic fatigue, acute fatigue, as well as some sort of overuse injuries.